No visit is complete without having a drink at Tatooine's infamous Mos Eisley Cantina, where you will never find a more wretched hive of scum and villainy. That's right, a Tatooine vacation has everything under the sun. So call Star Tours and book passage to Tatooine today.
Well, that's one for the interview. I have no intention of getting another case of dust contamination. I totally agree, Arthur. Besides, I'm perfectly content right here with you, so long as you don't mess things up. Watch your language, Arthur, and check the laser cannons. Who knows what space debris you'll run into? All right, Arthur, I'm getting a full power reading. Now, shut down the system before it discharges.
Good, Jonah. Judah, big one.
Your third stop brings you to the peaceful world of Alderaan, where you can relax in a natural wonderland recently voted safest planet in the galaxy by hyperspace travel. This incredible getaway package is 3 times the fun in one. So ask your Star Tours travel consultant to book yours today.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
No. Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble.
Stop right there.
Sure.
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
She's a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I have never seen that woman before. Oh dear.
A fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
What are you doing here?
Stay low. Use your traps. Get your shields up. They work.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? R2, what are you doing there?
Well, sir, it all began.
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
The spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather perilous to me. I don't think we should... Archie, are you sure these are the right coordinates? Come, I heartily concur. Execute. Begin this instant. After where are you going?
All right, we'll take it from here.
Well done. Now let's go. We'll be safe here on Batuu. I hope. Yes, Jakku. I believe this adventure is just beginning. What are you looking at? Go away.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors.